So this is my face when I'm waiting for my delivery day time. So ganyan yung face ko. So this is the final moment. I'm trying my best to push and push and push. But the doctor said if the head is still high and they will try to vacuum. And they're still trying their best para makapag-push ako, but I don't know why I don't have energy anymore. Siguro dahil hindi ako nagpa-epidural or nagpalagay ng pang tanggal ng sakit kasi tiniis ko talaga ang sakit. So perhaps that time nawala na akong energy to push. Dapat pala siguro nagpa-epidural ako or nagpalagay ng pang pain para siguro nakapag-normal ako. But I'm still trying my best, but I don't know how to push anymore. So this is what happened. Wala talaga. I don't know how to push. They're telling me to push and push, but parang hindi tama yung pagpupush ko. Parang hindi ako umiire. Parang yung pushing ko is parang tumatay. Joke. Ayan. So they're still trying to check. Telling me to push talaga para hindi siya cesarean, para maging normal because I want normal delivery. But ang hirap talaga. I don't know why. Hindi talaga ako nagpupush na ganun na parang nagpupush ako na tumae. Sorry for my word sa mga kumakain if you're watching. Hindi talaga ako umiiray pa. Hindi talaga siya bumababa. Ang taas pa rin. Nasa taas pa rin yung ulo. Ayan, check talaga sila ng check. And then, ayan, tumawag na yung isang assistant nurse to make ready the operation room to cesarean. Kasi wala talaga siyang bumaba. And they will try to vacuum the baby, and they vacuum the baby still. Ayun, tumatawag na for
sige ma, kaya yan.
The room to make ready. Wala talaga. Hindi talaga ako marunong mag-push. OMG. That time. I'm trying my best to push, but wala talaga. Wala na akong energy to push. And I don't know how to push anymore. And they're trying their best. Hinihilot yung tiyan ko, inaano. Wala talaga. Inaano ko na ate. Sige ate, push mo. Wala talaga, ayaw. So, ayan, tinicheck ako ulit ni Doc. But sabi ni Doc, still high. The head is still high. Hindi siya bumababa. Ang ganda ng doktora ko. Hindi talaga siya bumababa. Ayan. Chine-check ako ulit nito. Ina-IE ako. She's explaining to me na mataas pa rin daw. Hindi pa rin bumababa. So, the final moment is to do the emergency CS kasi they need to do the cesarean immediately kasi yung baby hindi pwedeng magtagal kasi medyo matagal na siya sa loob. Kailangan nang mailabas ang baby kasi magka-infection. Ayan, nire-ready na. Tumatawag na ulit yung assistant sa C-section para mag-ready kung wala talaga, hindi kaya. So, yun na. Ayan. And then, after that, dinala ako sa C-section. Pinatulog ako. Hindi ko na namalayan anong nangyari. And then, grabe yung kaba ni mister dahil pinasign siya ng waiver ba yun, or basta pinasign siya na in case anong mangyari, aware siya. And they're still trying their best na ipapush through ako and ano nila yung baby, but still wala talaga. Hindi talaga ako marunong ng umiri. Inhale, exhale, ire, wala talaga. Oh my goodness. Sa pagod ko na rin, sa sobrang sakit, dahil hindi ako nagpa-epidural at nagpaano ng painkiller. Tiniis ko. Yan kasi tiis-tiis pa more, hindi nagpaturok ng painkiller ba yan, pain reliever, whatever, yung epidural. Aside from epidural, ayun, tingnan mo yung mukha ko, hindi talaga marunong umire. Oh my goodness. Ayan, kailangan talaga siyang ilabas, kaya they decided talagang emergency CS na talaga siya. Kasi ASAP, they need to release the baby on my tummy. Kailangan nang mailabas si baby sa tummy ko. Ayan, kahit na anong ginawa ni assistant nurse para humila, wala talaga. Hindi talaga kaya. So, no choice. The final is hindi normal delivery, but emergency CS na siya. And sobrang worried na ni Dada dahil wala, hindi talaga kaya. Hindi talaga siya kaya kahit anong mangyari. Ayan. So this is it. Ready to go to the CS section. Ready na ako dalhin dun sa operating room.
Try ko silang vacuum.
So see you later guys for the final moment. Ayan, dadalhin na ako sa operating room.
So tinatry nilang i-vacuum siya ngayon. If hindi mailabas, isi-CS na siya. Time check is 7:05. Time check is 7:09. So nag-failed yung suction. So the doctor decided to do a cesarean section.
So this is my face after delivery. Sobrang maga dahil sa anesthesia, I guess, and na ICU ako for 1 day, and si baby also nagkaroon ng problema, but a little only. So everything is fine now. We're doing good and thank God dahil okay kaming dalawa. Success ang emergency CS. So this is baby Gianna Castiel. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. God bless.